Bored. Calling someone. Introduction. When you are bored and call someone, the conversation can go in different directions depending on how close you are with the person. Here are examples of both situations. Casual conversation. If you are not very close friends, it's better to avoid directly saying you are bored. Instead, you can use a more general approach. Example conversation. Hello. Hi Jane, this is Jill. Do you have time to talk? Hi Jill, sure. I was just watching TV. What are you watching? I was just watching a rerun of Friends. How about you? What are you doing? Nothing much. I really wanted to start studying for the psychology test coming up, but I can't seem to motivate myself. In this example, even though Jill is bored, she doesn't directly say it. This approach avoids making the other person feel like they are being called just because there's nothing better to do. Close friends conversation. If you are very close friends, you can be more direct and honest about being bored. Example conversation. What are you doing? I'm doing the laundry. I'm so bored. I have nothing to do. Why don't you come over and help me with the laundry? I'd rather do my own house chores. Hey, you wanna take a break from your housework and have coffee at the Starbucks with me? Sure, that sounds great. I'll meet you there in 30 minutes. Conclusion. When calling someone because you are bored, consider the nature of your relationship. For casual friends, avoid saying you are bored directly. For close friends, it's okay to be more open. This way, you can have a friendly and engaging conversation without making the other person feel like a last resort. Thanks for watching.